Hi there, I'm Paul, owner of a stone restoration business here in Texas, and I started Countertops Consulting to help homeowners across the country avoid costly countertop mistakes. You wouldn't believe how many times I go to customers' homes and they have zero knowledge on the stone they purchased, maintenance it requires, and are left completely alone with the damage that has been done. Don't be that person. See, I'm not tied to any designer, slab yard, or fabricator, so I don't make a dime from the material you buy with commission, or the fabricator you hire, or a designer you work with. I simply don't know them. My only goal is to give you the truth before you spend thousands on the wrong stone. I've seen it all. Marble ruined in kitchens that should have gone with quartzite. Quartz cracking near stoves. Granite or marble slabs that weren't sealed properly. Quartz being used on fireplaces, and much more. I've restored and repaired hundreds of countertops, and that experience helps me guide you to the perfect one for your lifestyle. So before you commit to a slab, a quote, or a fabricator, book a consultation with me. One call could save you thousands and a ton of frustration down the road. Book your consultation now, and let's make sure you get the countertops you'll love for years to come.